Water and its conservation. Water is the most important resource for all the terrestrial forms of life. Basic necessity of water is for drinking, irrigation and various other activities. Sources of water. Rain. In India, rain is the most important source of water. Southwest and northeast monsoons bring rains in most parts of India. In India, during 3-4 months of monsoons, most of the lakes, rivers, wells, etc. get filled with water. Disadvantages of rain as a source of water. Rainwater is not sufficient enough to support the large growing population. Rainwater has to be stored properly for use throughout the year. Rainwater gets stored in rivers, but day by day the rivers are getting polluted. Rivers. Rivers gets water from rains by the melting of glaciers, and dams are constructed on rivers to use the rainwater in better ways. Various dams have been built on rivers to regulate the flow of water. Example, Tehri Dam on river Ganga, Sardar Sarovar Dam on river Narmada, Bakra Nangal Dam on river Satluj. The advantages of construction of dam. Dams store large quantities of water for irrigation. Example, Bakra Nangal Dam. Canal system from these dams carries large amount of water to different locations. For example, the Indira Gandhi Canal has brought greenery to considerable areas of Rajasthan. Dams supply water to towns. Hydropower plants for generating electricity. Electricity can be produced at a constant rate. If electricity is not needed, the sluice gates can be shut, hence stopping electricity generation. The water can be saved for use another time when electricity demand is high. Disadvantages of dam. Social problems. Many tribal groups and peasants are displaced and rendered homeless. They do not get adequate compensation or rehabilitation. Environmental problems include deforestation, loss of biodiversity, and construction of dams disturbs the ecological balance. Economic problems. Huge amount of public money is used. No proportionate benefit to people is given. No equitable distribution of water is there. Rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is an age-old concept in India. Rainwater is collected when it falls on the earth, stored and utilized at a later point of time. It can be purified to make it into drinking water, used for daily applications and even utilized in large-scale industries. In short, rainwater harvesting is a process or technique of collecting, filtering, storing and using rainwater for irrigation and for various other purposes. Water harvesting techniques reduce mismanagement of water resources and ensure benefits for the local people. Water harvesting techniques depend on the location where it is used and the benefits are also localized. Traditional water harvesting techniques used in different states are known by different names. Kadin, tanks and nadis in Rajasthan, Bandaras and Tals in the state of Maharashtra, Bundis in Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh, pines, ahars in Bihar, kuls in Himachal Pradesh, ponds in Jammu region and eries in Tamil Nadu. Advantages of rainwater harvesting. Stored water can be used for irrigation and other activities. Stored water increases the underground water level. The water content does not evaporate and also harvested rainwater spreads to recharge wells, moist the vegetation over a wide area. Easy to maintain. Systems used for the collection of rainwater is based on simple technology. The overall cost of installation and operation is much lesser than that of water purifying or pumping systems. Maintenance requires little time and energy. Reduces cost for pumping groundwater. Contamination level is low compared to other water storing bodies. So far, we learned about water, its important sources, uses and the need for its conservation. We also learned different types of conservation methods used in various states of the country. Construction of dams and rainwater harvesting are two methods of water conservation.